Come on, what do we got? What do we got? Hey, there's something here! Interesting. But not good enough. There's gotta be something good under all this sand. Hey, what's this? A ticket? But for what? A holiday at the best resort? No way! I'm ready for my vacay! Just like a princess! Filthy rich princess! Ugh, but it's awfully hot in the sand! Can't a girl get some sandals? Anyone? Hey, over there! I'm coming! Just what I need!
I've got options. See? Any style you'd like.
Wow! But these prices! I really need sandals, though. How much do I have? A whole lot of nothing. Where can I snag some cash? Hey, look! It's so nice out here. Especially over there. I need volume, stats! Looking good. I'm so ready. He's so cute. Hey! What? Oh no! Ah! What? What a nightmare! My face! Oh, thank goodness. I need some protection. The sun's too strong. Jeez. No better time to use this stuff. SPF 50? That could work. Hello? It's empty? Just my luck. But I need something. Hey, look at what she's got. Perfect. Hello? Look over there. What? Something's over there? Is it ice cream? Works like a charm. Umbrella to the rescue. Oh, it's just perfect. And just in time. My summertime prince awaits. Hey there. Over here.
Huh? No! No!
Wanna hang out? What's with the screaming? It's me? No! My forehead! This sand's like powder. I love it. Wait! No way! A beach club? That's right! Wanna come?
Huh? Really?
Yeah, it's right in there!
Cool!
Have fun! Awesome! Hey! I want in! What? I don't think so. Not with those dirty dogs. Can't you read? Oh, no dirty feet allowed? Yikes. This is so unfair.
Very, very good. So good. I'm already done.
So lame. Hey! Huh? No way! My luck has took a right turn for once. Let's fill her up. Perfect. Look what I got. Ocean water, baby. Let's ride the wave. Ooh, that feels great. All clean. See? Wow, those are pretty clean. Come on in. Awesome. Wait, he said what? You're kidding! I know, right? And you know what else? Oh, is that me? How do I… Ugh, so annoying. Good thing I've got some water. Just watch. These hands are getting clean, baby. Well, almost. Just look at this. It's hopeless. Wait, I know. Ta-da! These'll do. Here. Just pat them dry, okay? Seriously? Dry is right. Okay. No, just watch. First, add water. Washy-washy. Wow, squeaky clean. Yep, you're welcome. You're the best. Hold on. Hi! What would she do without me? This hack is pretty simple. All you need is some soap. I can feel the clean already. There! Now spread it all around. and cut it all into squares. Then store them away. So they're ready to go when you are. Oh yeah! Watermelon!
It sure looks good.
What's wrong?
I'm wearing white. Hello? Unless… Look at that juicy goodness! Mmm, delicious. It's the perfect snack. Juice galore! Which only means one thing. My shirt. Every time. I better pass on the melon.
I guess I'll eat alone then. Potato chips seem pretty safe. Wait! Gimme! Just watch and learn. No need to be scared of a melon. Ta-da! Enter chip can. Just hold and press. Nice! And extract. Anybody order some melon? I've got you covered. Slices are way easier to eat. Not messy at all. See how easy this is? Melon coins. And back in they go. See? Phew! They're all yours.
What? This is awesome!
I thought you'd like it. You're too cute.
Oh yeah? Aww.
Wait a sec. This calls for a selfie. Yeah?
Let's do it.
It's all about the angle. See? Oh, that's unfortunate.
Cheese.
Seriously? What is wrong with me?
Try again. Come on. There. Not bad.
No, it's terrible. I give up. I gotta go.
Wait. Now what? Oh, that could work. You're coming with me. Woohoo! For you.
Thanks.
Never mind. Wait up! Ow! That really hurts! Ooh. Look at this bad boy! Honey, look!
A shell? Thanks, I guess.
This is bad. Gotta pull out the big guns. Like… tape? Nah. Glue? What? Oh, not the vibe. I've got it! Hey, give me your hand.
What?
I have just the thing. Here comes the glue. Just hold nice and still, okay? This is just perfect. Now just watch. Mind if I lend you a hand? Feels pretty good, actually. Quick, before it dries. Then just add sand. It's sticking, see? Pretty cool.
What? Wow! It's our hands! So romantic.
You're my sweet cheeks.
So romantic.
Wait till she sees this. I'm handy, too. She has no idea what's coming.
Marshmallow heaven! Yum! Huh? Oh no! Somebody help! Oh no, the grill! It's gonna fall!
Oh no! I'm such a klutz. My bad.
Seriously, I need a drink.
That took a turn.
Whatever.
How many sodas did you drink? I didn't get one. Maybe this isn't a bad thing. These cans are one happy accident. Just you wait and see. This thing's sharp. See what I mean? Just a few more. Now use these sticks. Yep, the perfect square. And the perfect plan. Let's fill her up. Very nice. Here come the marshmallows. The star of the show. Toasty. Golden brown, baby. Hope you're hungry.
What? For me?
To turn that frown upside down.
Cheers! So gooey. Wait! Hold this!
Huh?
Gotta run! Any bathrooms around here?